How to add links to constant contact button. So first, go to their website, and then for example, I want to add a link to a button in my email. Okay, so what you need to do here is just click on create here, and then just click on create email or send an email. Now from here, you can either start from blank or choose one of the templates. So I'll just use basic note here, and then just click on, hover your mouse over it, and then just click on select. Okay, now after this, now once you're seeing this, you can already see the button here. So if you don't see a button, or if you want to add a new button here, you can just go to build, and then just click on button here and drag it here. Okay, something like this. So let's say I want to add a link for this one, so just click on the button and then just click on add link here. Then now you can see all of the options here that you can use. So I'll just use web page. Then for example, I want to add the link of this website here. This is just an example. And then as for the name of the button, I'll just say my site example, and then just click on insert. Okay, now just to check if this works, so just click on preview and test, and then just click on preview. Now this is how your email would look like. Okay, so to check the button if it works, just click on my site example, the name, and as you can see, it really does work. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.